A taxi operator is dead after men reportedly posing as passengers shot him on Tuesday afternoon. The gun attack occurred at the intersection of Mountain View Avenue and Windward Road in Kingston. The taxi driver has reportedly been identified as Kemar Minot. A 31-year-old pump attendant was gunned down in the early morning attack at her home in Pepper, St. Elizabeth on Tuesday. The woman has been identified as Sherin Farquharson from Pepper. Reports are that she was at home with relatives when they heard explosions. In response, the relatives ran from the building and hid in nearby bushes. It is reported that 3 men busted into Miss Farquharson's bedroom. Alarmed, Mrs. Farquharson shouted at the men and attempted to shut the door, but they managed to kick the door open again and fired several shots at her. The police were alerted after the gunfire stopped. Miss Farquharson's body was found under her bed in a pool of blood with several gunshot wounds. A higgler who was one of 4 men who allegedly shot and killed a man on Lamont Lane, Kingston 12 on Friday has been charged with murder. Charged is 37-year-old Andrew Williams, otherwise called Danny, of Maxfield Avenue and Fitzgerald Avenue, Kingston 13. Williams is also charged with possession of prohibited weapon, unauthorized possession of ammunition, and making use of firearm to commit a felony. The deceased has been identified as 37-year-old Marlon Johnson, otherwise called Mega, of Maxfield Avenue, Kingston 13. Reports are that about 8:40 p.m. Johnson was on his way home when he was attacked by Williams and 3 other men armed with guns who opened gunfire at him. The police were summoned and Williams were assisted to hospital where he was pronounced dead. On Saturday, May 18, Williams was taken into custody where a question and answer was conducted in the presence of his attorney. He was subsequently charged.